Ooh, shooting my AR today. Woo. Yeah, it's heavy. Now this is the Mete. It's the Mete SFX with the Freedomsmith trigger. That's it. Check it out. So it's totally different shooting with your light. Bright, it's bright light. But now I only got an hour Some people don't like that. Oh. Still a little bit tight. The stock recoil spring. That's why I'm still shooting 124. Once it loosens up, I'll go down to 115. Someone asked me if I ever slapped myself bringing this back. Like, yeah, it's happened. I want to compete. I'm not that good. I'm not that good yet. There's this the TP9 SFX. I have one. It's Cerakoted by NC Engravers. They did like a black and white battle worn finish. That one, it's got the Taylor Freelance magwell. That one's, I can shoot that one really good. I shoot that one the most, I guess. I want to get used to this one. This is the Signature Series by Taylor Freelance. They're nice. Every time on this one, I'm always going like this.
I did the same thing. Don't worry. I was in this lane with my shotgun. I was going like this, but hang it up.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's. I'll take it. I'll take it. That's 50 rounds. 124 grain, and this is it's the Belom. It's good. I like it. I like it. Looks nice. I like it. I should shoot like this, huh? I'm gonna shoot one-handed. One-handed. Oh. Seven yards. So that was fun. I wasn't as good as I know that I could be. It's always improving. Always, even though you're paying money on ammo right now, and it's not the best. They're not the best prices, but if you wanna get better, you got to practice. Like I said, eventually I want to get into competition shooting, so hopefully soon, sometime this year, I'll be able to start. The Canik line is great. I love the Caniks. I've got other brands as well, but Canik is my go-to. It's just me getting out in the range, having a good time. Yeah, so take it easy, guys, and see you next time. Boom.